Good morning, everyone. Today, we have a special guest with us, journalist Jane Smith. We're going to talk about the recent assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump. Jane, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Jane, let's start from the beginning. What exactly happened in this assassination attempt?
Well, according to reports, there was an incident where someone tried to harm Donald Trump. This happened during one of his public appearances. The details are still coming in, but it seems that a person with a weapon was stopped by security before they could reach Trump.
That sounds serious. Was anyone hurt?
Fortunately, no one was hurt. The security team acted quickly and managed to stop the attacker before they could cause any harm.
How did people react to this news?
People were very shocked and worried. Assassination attempts are very rare and very serious. Many people, whether they support Trump or not, were concerned about the safety of public figures.
Some people are saying that this might have been staged or fake. What do you think about that?
That's a very good question. In situations like this, there are always a lot of rumors and theories. Some people think it might have been staged to gain sympathy or support. Others believe it was a real and serious threat. Right now, we don't have enough information to say for sure.
Why would someone think it was staged?
There are a few reasons. Sometimes, people might stage an event to distract from other news or to gain public sympathy. In politics, this can be a strategy to rally supporters or change the public conversation.
And why do others believe it was real?
Well, assassination attempts have happened before in history. Public figures can be targets for many reasons, like their policies, beliefs, or actions. Given the political climate and the strong opinions about Trump, it wouldn't be surprising if someone really wanted to harm him.
How do authorities handle such situations?
When there's an attempt like this, authorities take it very seriously. They investigate thoroughly to find out who was behind it and why. They also work to prevent any future attempts and ensure the safety of the person involved.
What kind of measures do they take?
They increase security around the person. This might include more bodyguards, stricter checks at events, and advanced planning to avoid any potential threats. They also look into any groups or individuals who might have been involved.
What should we, as the public, think about this situation?
It's important to stay informed and not jump to conclusions. We should wait for the full investigation to be completed before believing any specific theory. It's also crucial to understand the seriousness of such events and the impact they can have on public safety and politics.
Jane, thank you so much for explaining this to us. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Just that we should all be careful about the information we believe and share. In times like these, rumors can spread quickly, but the truth is what matters most.
Wise words. Thank you again, Jane. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Stay safe and stay informed.